I've been married for 10 years and I really want to experience oral sex with my partner. I fantasize about it all the time, but my partner refuses, saying they talk to their friends and apparently no one else is into this stuff either. I'm Dr. Nazanin Moali, clinical psychologist and certified sex therapist. Today I'm answering one of the questions that you guys have sent, and hopefully that can help you to gain some clarity around some of the questions that you might have. All right, let's read the question. I've been married for 10 years and I really want to experience oral sex with my partner. I fantasize about it all the time, but my partner refuses, saying they talk to their friends and apparently no one else is into this stuff either. Because of this, I've been struggling with erectile issues and it's gotten to the point where I'm actually considering divorce. I'm sorry that you are going through this. Sexual compatibility is really important for a lasting relationship. I'm sure many of you guys at home can relate to that. Sometimes we're very excited about trying something or doing certain position and our partner might not be into it, and it's important to examine what can we do afterward. One thing that I hear from this listener's question is that they already communicated with a partner. What I'm interested to know is if they ever have experimented with this, because many times people come to my practice saying that we have experimented, tried it once, and since it was a negative experience, then we don't want to do it anymore. Perhaps the partner felt pressured. Maybe your partner felt that they were not skilled enough. I know one of the things that comes up with oral sex for many of my female clients, they feel pressure that their partner wants them to do deep throats, and that's not something they're interested in. So it's really important to kind of first of all think about, have we ever done it and what happened? Maybe what was some of the ruptures that happened then? Or this is behavior that we haven't done before, my partner is just against it. It's your right to be able to ask for what you want, and also it's your partner's right to say they're not interested in it. I'm going to talk about few strategies that help you hopefully be able to get what you want, but of course at the end it's up to your partner. First thing I want you to think about is that what gets in the way for your partner? Have an honest and open communication with them outside the bedroom. Sometimes people come to my practice and they say it's a hygiene issue. Maybe they're uncomfortable about doing this behavior without their partner showering. Kind of like ask them, honey, I'm just curious, what gets in the way? What are some of the reasons that you're not interested in doing this? I don't want to pressure you, I just want to understand. So that's really important. Depending on their answer, maybe they say that I feel I'm not skilled enough, or this is something the last time that we had this behavior, we experienced it, something went wrong. Then you have some starting point of where you need to start. Second part of homework is for you. I want you to think about what is it about oral sex that makes it so yummy and exciting for you? Is it about psychologically something happens there? Or you see it as a way of power and control? Do you see it as a way of your partner adoring you? What is the erotically charged theme for you there? Because sometimes those themes are important. And when you figure out what is a theme, what am I thinking that really gets me excited, then you can create a plan of doing something else that creates that experience and theme that your partner might be more interested about it. And the second one is it about physiological sensation? Is there a specific sensation that you enjoy? And it's about, if that's about the sensation, then you can explore. If your partner is not interested, maybe you can experiment with kind of getting that sensation with the sex toys. There's a galaxy of options out there, and there are sex toys that can give you that sensation of someone is giving you an oral sex. Maybe your partner can hold that sex toy. One important element for you is to think about, we cannot get everything we want at times. Sometimes our partner can give us 70% of what makes it exciting. And great sex is all about negotiation and sacrifices. what also is important for you to keep in mind that your sexual needs are valid. So if you feel this is a deal breaker, you said that this is something that you're kind of like considering divorce because she's not doing it, I would encourage them to do sex therapy together. I would even talk to them about it. This is something that's in my mind. It's really important for me. I don't want to pressure you to do something that you don't want to do, but there's a part of me that wonders that if this issue doesn't get resolved, I might not feel long-term satisfied in the relationship. And I think it's important to have a conversation about it in sex therapy. Last thing I wanted to mention, that you talked about losing your erection, having erectile unpredictability. We can have erectile unpredictability for a number of different things. It could be due to physical issues, it could be due to psychological issues or relational issues. I have a free quiz that will help you to pinpoint exactly which of these areas might contribute to you struggling with erectile unpredictability and what can you do. So definitely I hear you that your partner not willingness to do oral sex for you is one of the reasons, but there could be other things in place that you can work on it without her help. The link is in the video below, and I hope you find it useful. I hope that you guys are able to negotiate things in a way that would be helpful and healthy for both. And if you need help with sex therapy, you're always welcome to reach out. Have a beautiful day.